Hello, today we'll be having some fun with some freshly baked sourdough. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. A close friend of mine recently baked sourdough and she gave me some to share. Look at my pretty bread, I'm so excited. First, thinly cut it into various slices. I like to use the slice on the other end of the sourdough for the butter. Before we pop this into the air fryer to heat up, let's prepare the cheesy one first so that the cheese can melt in the air fryer while it heats up. Add preferred slices of Kraft cheese onto the bread, then cut some spring onions on top of it. I would actually use stringy cheese if I had them, but I ran out so I made do with the Kraft cheese. Now let's pop them into the air fryer and heat up till it becomes hot and crispy. In the meantime, let's prepare the avocado topping. I'll be using half an avocado for one slice of sourdough bread. There will definitely be leftovers, so you can estimate accordingly. Cut the avocado into smaller cubes, then spoon them into a small bowl. Now slice 2 small wedges of lemon and squeeze them into the mixture. Add some white pepper and salt to season. And give it a good mix. Finish off with a dash of dried herbs. When the sourdough is toasted, remove from the air fryer and top it up with the avocado mix that you have just prepared. There you have it, avocado toast. You can also eat the sourdough with a generous dollop of butter spread over the top of it. This would enhance the flavor of it whilst keeping it simple. Last but not the least, we have the cheesy sourdough topped with spring onions.